Hey guys, Brian with Beastride again. I'm going to show you how to remove this kick plate on this GE fridge. You may need to do that if you need to get something out from under it or access the parts behind it. So what you're going to do first, open both doors, and there's going to be a screw on each side here. You can see the screw here, right down here. That's the one we want to remove. That's what's holding in the kick plate here. And it's just going to be a Phillips, so we'll just go ahead and unscrew that. Okay, that one just pulls out. And then we're just going to do the same on this side, remove this screw down here. All right, so here we go, making progress. The kick plate just kind of comes right off here. Watch this hose here, how it goes in like that, because you're going to want to put it back the same way. So the water line, you just want to kind of cradle it in that when you put it back on. If you've got a broken grate, you can replace it. You know what you can see here, you've got the water line here, and that goes to this back of the fridge here and up to the filter, then going into the door, and that goes up to the water dispenser on the front of the fridge. These lines here will kind of cradle in. There we go. So see how they kind of fit back in and then just go up this little hole outlet here. Screwing one side back in, making sure the hoses are going up to that outlet there. And then we'll just screw in this other side here. Hope this video helped, guys, and subscribe if you find value.